Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how we can turn off the Autostart feature for the Spotify desktop app, for example on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer or laptop in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, as you can see, the Spotify app is running on my desktop computer. What you will need to do is access the task manager on your desktop computer or laptop. It depends, for example, which operating system you're currently using, for example, Windows 10 or Windows 11. So once you have access to task manager, so let me do that on my computer, you will need to navigate to the Autostart tab here at the top. Now, as you can see, the interface language is not English from our operating system, but you will see a similar Autostart tab here. So what you want to do is go through the list of all applications that are installed on your device and look for Spotify. Here it's alphabetically sorted. So once you have found it, you will see that status tab here or status column and check if it is enabled or disabled. So if the Autostart is enabled, right click into it and select turn off. Of course, it will be in your operating system's language. And that's it. In some cases, your operating system may ask you, for instance, to restart it, but it's not always necessary. It doesn't do it usually for me, but it used to do it on older computers of mine. So as previously mentioned, guys, it depends a little bit also on your operating system. So this process may vary a little bit, but usually here in the task manager, navigate to the start tab and disable the Autostart for the given application. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.